her?
No, it's recording. Shush.
Oh, it'll be a few more minutes.
It doesn't matter. This thing records for like an hour. There's a thing in our backyard. Just listen to it. Just listen. That's my dog.
It's probably the neighborhood kids.
No, that's not.
No, because if we were talking. I wish Lucy spoke English.
That's why I don't like my dog out here.
I wonder if she knows what it is.
She knows it's something not right, though. I've trained Lucy to be on alert. Even though she's not a good car dog, she'll bite your fucking leg off. She knows when something's happening, okay? She knows what's happening. She won't bite.
It hasn't gotten any closer to us.
That's a good dog. That's a good old
weird
dog.
noise, huh?
That is a very weird noise. Arr!
It doesn't.
It's only when you're
Now
quiet.
it added one. It was only doing. There's other people that's got to hear that because there's people that don't hear that.
That's weird. That thing came running up like a pterodactyl.
Mom, pterodactyls fly.
No, Raven, you heard it pouncing on the ground like you knew something big was coming, like a deer or a buck
Maybe
or
that's a
something.
deer.
No, that's not. Deers don't call like that.
I don't even know what a deer sounds like.
You think that's a deer mating call?
Maybe it's a bird.
You think that's a mating call?
Maybe it's a bat. They make weird noises.
No, that's not bad. It can't come in the woods right here because it's really dense and it knew it couldn't. Thank God there's not a
This
whole
was like big,
This was big, like a buffalo.
like
was
pig
something.
size.
Maybe it's a wild boar.
That's not a, it's,
But that's not. What kind of sound is that?
it's not, yeah, it's not an animal call at all. It's some kind of weird swamp monster or something.
What's weird is it keeps coming close and then far, close, far, close, far.
I think it's kids in the woods playing jokes on us.
It's not a human.
Maybe it's someone getting raped. That's what it really sounds like.
No, because
I just hope it doesn't have
it's not in like force. You would hear.
What if it has a gun?
Screaming.
What if it has a gun and one of us are about to get shot? It's probably gonna be me first.
Mom, would you shut up? This ain't no scary movie. I'm about to go sleep with Norm. I'm going to Norm's house.
Dude, if someone comes out there, Norm's gonna be the first dude in the neighborhood. I'm like, Norm, look. I know this isn't normal. I need you right now. Your name's Norm and I am not.
I'm getting out of here.
I'm going back to my grandma's house.
Neighborhood.
Can you take me and
I'm
Raven
gonna
with
do
you?
it white. I'm gone.
Will you take me and Raven with you?
We need to go rent a hotel.
You gotta get in the car. That's enough.
It's not even doing it anymore.
It will. It stopped for like 5
Maybe it's a
minutes.
cricket.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It's a humongous.
It's some kind of weird, mutated, fucking alien thing.
Yeah, there's aliens back there.
There. Hey, you know? No.
I got a shovel, and that's our weapon. Alright? It's the only weapon we have right now.
I wonder if I got that on camera. I don't know if I'd even pick that up.
I don't know. Stop, Raven. You probably picked up an alien with like 4 legs going, hey.
Mom, stop! I'm about to call my grandma.
I'm scared.
Why are we standing out here then?
Because I want to know where it is. Tom said he saw an owl fly swoop down
Maybe it's an owl.
and get. No, that's not an owl either. It's a mutated animal.
I don't even want to look up at the trees because I don't want it to be like sitting there staring at us or something.
Lucy's getting ready. She's eating cow hoofs over there.
I don't know, it's pretty weird. I very rarely see fireflies. here.
Oh my god, guys, stop. I feel like something's watching me.
It is. It's right here on your neck. It knows we're here, and it's waiting for us to shut up so we can. Exactly.
Can we go inside?
I'm scared.
Can we go inside, please? I'm going to Norm's house. You wonder why this house is full of dust?
Yes, babe. Somebody saw the same thing and moved the fuck out and didn't come back.
What is this, like the exorcism?
I don't even want. I hear it crinkling leaves over there. It's walking around.
Con, you're gonna be the first one dead.
It's not like the freaking Mothman from.
It is.
Stop! That's what they're gonna do. It's Bigfoot, okay?
Oh my god, it could be.
Bigfoot?
Yeah.
You think he'd make that noise?
Oh my god, we're about to be in a movie. We're about to be in the movie.
Can we go inside, please? I'm really scared.
Me too.
You're really scaring me.
Go inside.
Watch it make that noise while we walk inside.
Come on.